There's something taped under here. It feels really old.
Wait. I know this handwriting from somewhere very long ago. It's identical. I haven't seen this handwriting in 20 years. Many years ago, I had a younger brother named Chen. One winter, Thomas left home and never came back again.
Something fell out. It's an old brass caretaker's room key. There's another letter hidden here. This mystery keeps growing bigger.
There's a folded map tucked inside the diary's back cover. The bridge ahead looks badly damaged from all the rain.
I love school mornings. Everything feels new and exciting today.
Everyone, please clean under your desks before the lesson starts.
There's something taped under here. It feels really old. The handwriting looks old. This letter is really says, "Please don't forget our family." Leo, hurry! I have to show Mom something incredibly important right now. That's just an old school prank. Someone is playing a joke.
It's probably an old classroom game left there years ago.
Not now, sweetheart. I'm finishing something important for work tonight.
Nobody believes me, but I know this letter really matters.
Wait. I know this handwriting from somewhere very long ago. I kept an old letter. Let me compare them both carefully. It's identical. I haven't seen this handwriting in 20 years.
David, you look completely white. What is actually wrong tonight?
This looks exactly like my brother's handwriting from before he vanished. Go back to bed, please. We'll talk properly in the morning. I need to tell you something I never explained before now. Many years ago, I had a younger brother named Chen. One winter, Thomas left home and never came back again.
The family searched for months, but nothing was ever found.
Eventually, our whole family simply stopped talking about him completely.
This letter can't just be a strange coincidence, Dad. It's real. Let's read every single word again, very slowly this time. Look, there are strange numbers hidden along the bottom edge.
Those numbers look exactly like an old map reference code.
This code old school archive room number exactly.
Tomorrow we go to your school archive room together, Anna.
This room hasn't been opened in almost 20 years, dear.
There are so many old records stacked in here somehow.
Look, Dad, this class photo is from 20 years ago. Someone has torn a page right out of this record. Something fell out. It's an old brass caretaker's room key.
I remember that symbol. I haven't seen it in years. That symbol belonged to a family from long ago. There's old underground storage nobody has used in decades.
This hallway feels like it hasn't existed for years, Anna.
Take this. You'll need it for what's down there.
Stay close together. We don't know what's down here yet.
It's really dark down here. I don't love this much.
These lockers still have old name tags on them.
These markings on the wall match our family symbol exactly. There's another letter hidden here. This mystery keeps growing bigger.
This letter mentions a photograph and something called the necklace.
This photograph shows Thomas standing beside an unfamiliar old house.
Thomas never mentioned this place to anyone before he passed.
Let me see! Is that a haunted house?
Look closely at the window pane here. There's an inscription.
Wait, turn it over. There's something written on the back, too. "124 Old Oak Lane." That's just outside the Old Town limits.
Can we go there? Can we go find the secret house? Dad, look at the chimney in the picture. The symbol is carved there too.
Pack up some things. First thing tomorrow morning, we drive out to Blackwood.
This matches the address from the torn photograph exactly.
This whole house looks like nobody has lived here forever.
I remember playing right here when we were both small.
There's a loose floorboard right here, under this old rug. It's a diary. This could tell us everything, Dad.
This is Thomas's handwriting. He wrote this whole diary himself. The diary says Thomas left because of a terrible misunderstanding.
He believed nobody wanted him here, so he ran away.
He never truly abandoned us. He just felt lost somewhere.
This page says he really wanted to come back home.
There's a folded map tucked inside the diary's back cover.
A storm is coming fast. We need to leave now.
The mountain road floods badly once this storm hits.
The bridge ahead looks badly damaged from all the rain.
Hold my hand!
I figured it out! The symbol means turn left here.
Here, this is the location from the map.
There's nothing here. Just trees and empty forest.
Maybe we read the old map completely wrong somehow.
Wait! Look here! Look here!
There's a compartment carved right inside the old stump.
This paper shows a real map to the cabin.
This map shows a small cabin near the mountain summit.
That cabin is where our whole family used to camp.
There's a tunnel marked between here and the cabin.
Everyone pack warm clothes. We leave first thing tomorrow.
I'm frightened of what we might actually find tomorrow.
This is definitely the cabin from our childhood memories, David.
Everything in here looks completely frozen in time somehow.
It's locked.
These photographs show our family together a long time ago.
That's his voice. Thomas recorded this message right before disappearing. He says he never willingly left our family behind at all.
An accident on the mountain separated him from our family completely.
He lost his memory.
He kept trying to remember and find his way home.
He hid dozens of letters here, hoping we'd eventually find them.
We have to find him now. He's still out there.
Someone in this village might remember Thomas Chen clearly.
Yes, I remember him. Try the old doctor's clinic. I treated a man matching that description years ago.
He recovered slowly and moved to the valley town.
Valley Hospital records confirm a resident named Thomas Chen.
We finally have his address. Let's go right now.
This is the address. His house is right there.
Take a deep breath, Dad. We're almost there now.
David? It's really you. I've searched for you my entire life, brother.
Welcome home, Thomas. We never once stopped looking.
This is the best meal I've had in years.
Look how much you two looked alike as children.
One small letter really did change everything for us.
Thank you for never giving up on us, Anna.
Tell us your favorite part of today's story below.
Subscribe so you never miss our next story. Leave a comment. We'll read every one.